Pete Gustis here, real estate agent. I'm actually just doing this preview so you can see how docusign signatures work. So everything's already completed. I'm going to open up an email. Once I open up the email, you're going to see a docusign system email. This one says home buyer and seller one. I just put that in. It works the same for buyers and sellers. The email will look like this. It says docusign. Peter B. Gustis sent you a document. Review documents. Of course, it just has some general information. But what you want to do is click Review Documents. And when that opens up, it says, I agree to do electronic recording and signatures. This gives you a valid electronic signature. So for the purpose of this, I have two documents. So you can see sometimes there'll be more, sometimes there'll be less. You click that, agree, click continue. And then, of course, it gives you options right here. Later, if you want to, or you can print it, you can also download it. You can increase the size, decrease the size, and apparently you can put a comment. So that's new. But typically what happens is all these are pre-filled out, so it should be exactly that you wanted it. So what you do to start is you actually just click Start, and it goes to the first area you can sign. It automatically puts the date and time you sign. You want to go on the sidebar, you can go back up. So I'm not saying you don't need to read this or understand it, but it will give you a copy. And also what happens with this system is it automatically goes to the next place where you can sign. So me being the agent, my signature's usually first if I have to sign anything. If you're buying or selling, sometimes there might be a signature for the other party first. So you can see it verifies the signature there. And then your signature would be right here. You just click to sign. If you're happy with the signature, that's your signature and your initials. If you want to change it because somebody mistyped your name, you can change it. Of course, if you want to customize it, you can customize it here, which, you just use your mouse to write it. If you feel you need to change a style, it'll change these letters, but it really doesn't matter. As long as you clicked with your mouse and logged in with your email, it's valid. So it's your choice if you want to customize it or not. Once you adopt it, that's fine. And then you can see if you go up there, it applied your signature. It automatically will go to the next signature, or you can hit next if it did not. And then, of course, it should have gone here, but I passed that. Once you sign, it automatically goes to the next every single time. And then basically you click the last one. Once you click the last one, you need to click finish. If you do not click finish, this does not save everything and it kind of doesn't count. Once you hit finish, it allows you to save the document. If you want to do it, you can create an online registration. It'll actually email you everything once you're done, by the way. So you really don't have to create an account if you don't want to do it. So you can hit no thanks. And then once you're done, this sends you a copy of all the documents you just signed by email. It also sends a copy to everybody who is on the email list. So it makes it easy. You don't have to do anything. It's that simple. All right. Any questions? Give me a call. Pete Gustis, 570-640-3535. Or my Southeast cell, 610-209-9219. Have a great day.